Friends, I've brought a new video for you. This video is going to be on Froben gel. Froben gel is made by Abbott Group of Pharmaceuticals, and 100 grams of Froben gel contains 5 grams of flurbiprofen. The price for one Froben gel is 275 rupees. Froben gel is used to reduce pain, swelling and joint stiffness from arthritis. Some side effects of this cream include upset stomach, constipation, diarrhea, gas, heartburn, nausea, vomiting, dizziness, drowsiness or headaches. It is contraindicated in patients with salicylate hypersensitivity or NSAID hypersensitivity who experienced asthma, urticaria or other allergic reactions after taking aspirin or other NSAIDs. This flurbiprofen is safe to use during pregnancy and breastfeeding. I hope you like the video. Please like and share our channel. Subscribe to our channel. Thank you.